Evening, welcome everyone. This is my first video. In fact, this is the first channel for me, the first video. So let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. How it's gonna pan up. So if you have not joined my channel, please join and subscribe. Press the like button, and below in the description I've given the Instagram and Telegram ID. Please join my free channel. It's completely free for all, where I share trade ideas. Okay, so let's dig in directly to the uh, analysis. Now this is Nifty chart for you. So few of them who have already a part of my Telegram channel, they know the levels which I give them every day morning in terms of how much it might go, how much it might not go. So let's take a review. We had said in the market that below 19,600 we will see a good trend. Market opened gap down. The major level was 19,500. Then it took a reversal. We had a signal candle, then we had a common confirmation candle. So the break of this high, we take an entry, and the first target was 19,600. Second target was 19,670, which perfectly achieved, So this is the same update which was given in the group. Now, what do we do for tomorrow? Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow we are expecting a gap up opening. So we might see an opening somewhere here, which is 19,670 to 19,700 zone. Okay. So this is the zone where we might see a gap up and price moving here. So now this is a zone where you do not trade. This is a no trading zone, and any breakdown with a confirmation candle, trade in P side for the target of 19,600 and trail it to 19,550. Further, if you get a confirmation below 19,550, do not enter in puts, enter in calls at 19,500 level. This is a strong support, and we will only see a reversal from here. So now this is for the put trades. Now coming back to the call trades, breakout of 19,700, we will see 19,750 and then 19,800. These are the three levels which you have to mark down, note down in your chart, and keep it ready. Okay, so technically we are seeing a gap up opening with a strong bull run, but 19,700 will be a major trend decider for this. So any closing above 19,700, we will see a positional target of 19,900 again, and any close below 19,600, we will see a positional target of 19,300. These are our positional targets. Okay, now coming to Bank Nifty. Okay, how do you do that? So now coming to Bank Nifty, we have marked the levels as, now if you see, 44,000 being a major resistance, major hurdle, you can say this. Yeah, it's a major hurdle here. Any breakout of 44,000, we will it will go up to 44,160 to 44,200 zone. Okay, any breakout of 44,000. Okay, but technically if you see, we might see a small gap up which will touch 44,000. We'll see this gap up touching here, and then we might see a price action coming down, taking a support at 43,850 levels. And if we see a further fall, we might see 43,700 and then 43,600, which is today's low, and any closing below this, we will see a major fall to 42,800. So this is something which you have to be very careful about. Okay, so yeah, if you like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. The link is in the description. Thank you. Good night. Happy trading.